Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Muscletech Cell Tech Creatine. Start by mixing 1 scoop into 12-16 Oz of water and drink it immediately after training for best uptake. If you prefer a loading phase, take 20 g daily divided into 4 servings for about a week, then switch to 3-5 g per day for maintenance while staying well hydrated and consistent. For dosing, measure precisely using the included scoop or a small scale to ensure consistency. Mix with 12-16 Oz water or a carb drink to help transport creatine into muscles. Stay hydrated by sipping extra water throughout the day and avoid exceeding recommended doses to reduce stomach upset. Consistent daily use matters more than sporadic high doses, so pick a schedule you can keep long-term and track progress. Timing matters, but consistency matters more. Post-workout is ideal because blood flow and insulin help shuttle creatine to muscles. Pair your serving with 20-50 g of carbs or a carb-rich shake to enhance uptake, and be mindful of stacking with protein for a complete recovery drink. If you consume strong caffeine sources, consider separating them by 30-60 minutes to avoid any potential reduction in creatine effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.